Hi again, this is Omar Ramos from orword.com, and in this video I'm going to show you about a new feature that I've been kind of wanting to add for quite a while, but for whatever reason I just didn't think I could implement it easily or something, so I finally attempted to tackle it this last time around, and it's ready to go. So just like categories, each document has an ID, and you can see that in the URL at the bottom of the screen there. You can see at the end of that URL it says and view is equal to document and ID is equal to 2. And of course, if I click on one of these documents, you can see the ID as well, right here. So what you would need to do in this case, and by far, I think in most situations, people will probably want to list entire categories worth of files and documents on their website, but in this particular case, if you did want to simply list an ad hoc list of 5, 6, 7 documents that you knew specifically, you would just grab their ID numbers. So for example, this one's ID number 13, this one's ID number 15, this one's ID number 17, and in this case they're all set to be registered access. So I can come back here to my article. I'm going to use the new option key, listSpecificDocuments, and then I'm going to specify the document IDs. So let's say 13, 15, 17, like so. So after that, I hit save, and now I will have a nice specific list of documents displayed. And the really neat thing is that I made it so that you can basically use any of the existing layouts. So if you want to change this to the use simple, let me refer back to my documentation here, layout. So there's a list layout, a drop-down layout, different area I'm looking for here. There we go. So these are all the different layouts that are available. So let's say I want to use the simple file list CSS3 layout. So I'll go use simple file list CSS3 layout. CSS3. And it's very critical here that you have the proper casing because it's case sensitive. So use simple file list CSS3 layout and list specific documents, document IDs 13, 15, and 17. So let's hit save, refresh, and instead of the table output, which we currently see, we will see the simple CSS3 columns layout, which is default set to 3 columns, which is pretty neat. So lots of flexibility. The only thing I don't have right now is a button like this one for DOCman, which kind of combines the power of my plugin with the little interface that's here for selecting things. So maybe that's in a future update. I'll have to try working on something like that in the future. Hope you enjoy and hope this feature is useful to some of you out there.